Ito guys, daming anak guys. Ito guys. Hindi ko buka. 10. Na po, buking anak. So guys, ito yung mga anak guys. Yun. Biik. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Dito kami ngayon sa Toledo guys. Ito guys, tingnan natin yung baboy guys. At daming ano guys, tanglad guys. Yun, tanglad, daming tanglad. Yun, iharap ko muna yung ano guys camera. Wait. Ito guys, tanglad to guys. Tanglad. May ano guys gabon guys. May ano, gabi. Daming gabon guys. Dito guys Gabon, gabon. Yun. Sili guys to guys. Sili. Kulikot na sili yan guys. Alright. Ito guys. Sili. Sangi guys. Sangi. Daming silo dito guys Daming sili. Ito guys, sili guys. Kulikot to guys. Napakaanghang nito guys. Yun. Siling kulikot. Time check 6:29 in the morning na guys. At saka today is a Friday. Yun. Ito po yung mga view dito guys. Yun. Guys, gandang kulay sa malaklak guys. Yun, ito ganda guys, diba?
Moments later.
Ito guys, daming anak guys. Ito guys, hindi ko buka. 10. Na po, buking anak. So guys, ito yung mga anak guys. Yun. Biik. 10 to lahat guys. Ito yung minahin guys. Ito yung bahay niya guys. Ito po yung bahay niya guys. 10 lahat ang bibis guys. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Lakas dumidi guys Ayan. Ito po yung Rhina dito guys. Rhina. Ito guys. Ito po yung bibis niya guys. 10 lahat. 10 lahat guys. Yun. Alright. Ito guys. Yan. Yun. Chapel to guys. Tapos na pala. Tapos na pala nila guys yung chapel. Ayan, guys. Chapel. Yun. Daghan ko na kayo bunga guys. Oh guys. Tagak ng dagkog ng buto guys. Eh. Tagak ng dagkog ng buto niya. Biyan na ka. Igo po guys. Daghang hino guys. Hangkis na guys. So guys. Oh. Guys. While waiting guys, ng aming sangkis. No? Nah, guys. Ang aming sangkis na guys. Unggoy guys. Guys, unggoy guys. Gita. Oh, dagko guys. Puno na to ba guys? Guys. Okay. Oh my god. Si ko karabaw guys, may bunga. Ubos na guys. Naaday gamay. Patilaw pa lang. Balik tayo sa baboy guys. Dik. Ito na lahat guys. Ayun. Ito yung inahin guys. 10 to lahat. Ang kanyang baby guys. Ayun.
Hours later.
Hello guys. Relax na may kadiyot guys. Padung na may uli guys. Guys. Nindot kang view diri guys. I miss this place. Guys. Atlas Mining Corporation. Guys. Guys. Lawom kay Giswa. Oh my goodness. Pang ni guys. Nasaan? Wap ko na. Guys. Time check is 9:36 in the morning guys. Today is Friday. Padung na mi uli guys. Hapit na mi diri kay nindot yung view guys oh. Yun. Atlas ni guys Atlas Mining. Guys, vlogger guys ayun na. Vlogger. Sarang kainit kaadyo dito guys. Very hot. Pero sulit ang view guys Tingnan nyo guys. Oh my goodness. Ang lalim ng bangi guys. Patay tayo nito pag mahulog tayo guys. Yun. Yun. Kami lang ang tao dito guys. Yun. Isa. Yan. Oh my goodness. Ganda ng view guys. Alright. Thanks.